Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
I'm Vinny.
And today we're going to look at Tesla. Is it a buy? It's about to break out of a channel that we're looking at. We're going to take a look at the technical aspect and some big announcements that just happened.
Very interesting. I'd love to hear about it because I don't know anything about this video. If you guys enjoyed this entertaining stock market content of two stupid guys trading stocks, by all means give us a like and subscribe below. We'd love to have you along in this little venture of ours. With that, we'll get to it.
Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. Boom.
It's hard not to love a guy who can do like the double thumbs up like that in the leather jacket. He's looking pretty fly, man.
I love them on SNL. He's a really awkward guy, and I really like that, actually. All
Yeah.
right. So why are we talking about Tesla, Vinny? It's your favorite stock, correct?
I've traded it a lot. I've never owned it for the long term, but I've definitely traded a lot, and kind of gone both ways. So there's been some trades I've made money on, some trades I have not.
All right. Well, we're going to look at might be time to get back in here. So Tesla deliveries. Boom. 310K vehicles in the first quarter of 2022. Previous quarter 309, up from 185 a year ago. Sexy
Okay,
numbers.
yeah, impressive for sure. That's some substantial growth right there.
Even more sexy. Let me move your face out of the way. Number of Tesla vehicles delivered worldwide. Here's the actual chat chart over time. That is some sexy growth. Would you agree?
I agree. It definitely looks exponential, if you will. Getting sequentially like larger and larger number of vehicles delivered, which is impressive.
It is impressive. For those of you who have never watched this channel, Vinny is a value guy and thinks Tesla is the greatest value possible. It's not accurate. Here's Tesla's breakdown of production and delivery results of quarter one, 2022. So they actually did produce almost the same amount of cars as they did deliveries. Model Y is still the kind of, you know, big guy that they're delivering. Obviously, it's the cheapest. It's not 35K like they were saying. But the other big thing here is this is in addition to the Gigafactory in Shanghai shutting down on two different occasions last month.
Okay, it's still currently shut down, I believe. Correct?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. But also shut down
Yeah, I think they
twice. It's
just
like,
extended it. Yeah.
yeah. Which, I mean, that's pretty impressive. All right. Another
Yeah, I will give them
catalyst.
credit.
Laser gun sound.
Yeah.
Tesla has
Yeah.
announced its intentions for another stock split. It did this 2 years ago, and if you were, the headlines are very misleading this. They say if you had been in it, you would have gotten an 80% gain. That's not accurate. That's actually if you could tell the future and we're in it 2 days before, but 80% is more catchy than 62%.
Okay.
It's
Still
actually
ridiculous.
62% gain.
62% appreciation from that standpoint.
Absolutely ridiculous. Also, here's the
Yep.
proof.
Yeah.
Here to here,
That
right?
is quite a run up. That is
They
quite a
actually
run up.
announced it.
I
Huh?
That is quite a run up. I have to give them credit for that. That is impressive.
Stupid. Absolutely stupid. They just announced that they may have another one in the books. So we get to the interesting part. Let me just figure out how to pull it up. Exact number. Here we go. Here's the current
Ooh.
chart of Tesla.
Wow.
Sexy numbers. I know. Take it all in.
I know, right? You think it's gonna break out of the top of that channel there, or like we're
So
pretty close?
this is where we closed on Friday. I'll zoom in here. Obviously, we are filming this on Saturday. They just put out the numbers. It would go to show that they should have a bump in sentiment and stock. This is also kind of some stock gap up news here. But we have the downward channel that we're bouncing off of with this kind of anomaly. We have an upward channel that we're just about to hit again. Is this something that you think that you could swing trade?
Yeah. The question is which direction. That's to me. If it breaks out of that channel and sets a new high, then yeah, it may be reasonable to take a bullish position. I think at that point. Right now, what I'm seeing right here is if it can't break out of that channel on Monday with the news of this increased number of deliveries, then I would be ready to initiate a bearish trade on this.
Right. So I actually agree. I'm ideally I'm getting greedy here, but I'd really like it to have around this 200 moving average. And I would like to take it long from here, not because I believe in the fundamentals or the, I mean, if you look at how much the market cap is to per car sold, I won't even get into
Yeah,
that. It doesn't even make
yeah, it's
sense.
insane.
But just from a standpoint of look what happened the last time they did a stock split, they're killing these numbers. It would be a great, in my opinion, buy for a very short term hold. Maybe one of your credit spreads.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking of. Is an option spread would be how I would trade this.
Maybe we do our first YouTube short of how you would trade via credit spread. That would be interesting.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we can see tomorrow. You tell me the direction, bullish or bearish, and then I'll put together a little trade in. I'd be willing to kind of throw a little bit of money at it too, and see if I initiate the trade myself.
Yeah, the only problem is if we gap up too high tomorrow because of the news, but what are you gonna know? I mean, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, it's so hard
So
to predict the future, unfortunately. If we could, then it would be two multimillionaire guys talk about what we can see in the future in our crystal ball.
instead, we're two stupid guys trading
Wow.
stocks. All right,
Hmm.
guys, let us know what you think if you're gonna trade it, and if you have a position, how you're doing.
Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.